Epic Games just quietly acquired an AI company, and almost nobody is talking about it. And this isn't just a business move. This could change how we create characters inside of Unreal Engine 5 forever. Because if you've ever tried to build realistic humans in UE5, you already know this, right? MetaHuman is the easy part. The hard part is everything after. The animation, the mocap, retargeting, cleanup, getting the body to feel real. That's the hardest thing. And this is why this acquisition matters so much. Epic acquired a German AI startup called Meshcapade. And they're not just buying tech, they're bringing the team into Epic's AI research group, which is perfect. Meaning that this is going to connect directly to Unreal Engine and MetaHumans. This is literally Epic Games investing heavily in the future of digital humans for games and film. And now, instead of me trying to explain this with a million B-roll and edits, let me just show you guys what this technology actually looks like. So this is the official article, there's many more, but I'm just trying to prove that this is official and real and it is happening. And as you can see, this is gonna create a new movement in the Unreal Engine community, because now everything is gonna change. You see, their technology is so good that it literally is the best tool to copy a literal human in a video into a animation that can run inside of Unreal Engine or anything else. It's literally insane. So basically, in other words, you can now just film yourself and then have that animation with multiple characters at the same time in Unreal Engine, just like that. No more keyframes, no more Blender, no more nothing, right? And this will be officially implemented into the engine. So again, this is Meshcapade. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, but in other words, it's just the most advanced motion capture system that has been ever created, and now we're gonna have an official integration into Unreal Engine. And why does this matter more than any other tool out there that transforms a video into an animated character in 3D? Well, they're literally the inventors of SMPL, which is the industry standard of 3D body models, which is quite insane. And this technology right now is being used in the most advanced laboratories and research groups in Earth to create realistic 3D models. I mean, just look at this demo. It's literally also getting some facial expressions, right? Which is not, out there in any other video to AI model, right? This is freaking insane. So let's look at more use cases right here. There we go. See, it's literally so good, and it gets the facial expressions, and it gets the kind of the body types, so this is really cool. We can see here more examples for specifically game characters, right? So if we scroll down, we can go and check out all of the use cases, like for example for NPCs or actually player avatars, and then of course for film production and even influencers, right? So like VTuber or something. And yeah, I mean, I'm excited, guys. For the biggest of times, making animations inside of Unreal Engine for like cinematics or even for your own gameplay capabilities has been one of the hardest things, because for example, I'm purely a game developer in terms of coding, right, managing the project, structuring it and executing, but I'm not really good at 3D modeling or animating. So for example, this integration will be absolutely amazing for me, because this means that I can create my own cinematics for my games and my own custom animations for my characters with facial expressions seamlessly. And this is exactly what the co-founder Naureen Mahmood said about this acquisition, which is just developing digital humans easier, more expressive, and more accessible for creators, right? So game devs out there can use them without any problem. And this technology specifically uses machine learning and AI to model humans with that they claim is more nuanced than was previously possible. And a key differentiator for this specific tool is how they can model 3D human motion straight from standard videos. This is what I said. You don't need a whole setup, you don't need expensive cameras. I think that literally you just need your iPhone and you just go out there and record. This is amazing. So now you don't need big budgets to make insane productions out there. And Epic's chief technology officer Kim went ahead and said that bringing Meshcapade's talented team and industry-leading technologies to Epic will help give creators across gaming, film, and virtual production industries new specialized tools for developing digital humans. So in other words, we will see the future of MetaHumans insanely good in a very short amount of time. And that's everything that I want to cover today. This news just came out like literally 2 days ago and no one was talking about them, so I had to just make a video to inform you guys. So if you found this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn how to make games instead of Unreal Engine, make sure to check out the link in the description. Now, just with that said, bye bye.